Hi everyone, this is Navin, your social science facilitator. For grade 10 and geography, we are moving forward to the next lesson, that is lifelines of national economy. Here we can go with the new words. First word, transportation, consumer, communication, topography, superhighways, seaports, tourism, state highway, national highways, border road organization, railway network, trade. I would like to repeat the words with their meanings. Transportation, the action of transporting someone or something from one place to another, that is we can call as a transportation. Second word, consumer. Consumer is a person who purchase goods and services for personal use. Communication, the imparting or exchange of information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium. Topography, the arrangement of the natural and artificial physical feature of an area. The next word is superhighway, a highway designed for travel at high speed, having more than one lane of each direction of traffic. A safety strips dividing into directions, and and clover leaves clover leaves to route the traffic on the on and off the highway. Seaports means here as a port, harbor, or town accessible to sea coast and providing accommodation for seagoing vessels. Tourism, a commercial organization and operation of holidays and visits to place of unrest. State highways are usually routes that links important cities, towns, and districts headquarters with the state and connect them in national highways or highways of neighboring state. Next word is national highway. Network of India as a network of highways that is managed and maintained by agencies of the government of India. Border Road Organization, BRO we are calling, develops the maintained road networks in India's border areas and friendly neighboring countries. A railway network, rail transport, it is a means of conveyance to passenger and goods on wheeled vehicles running on rails. It is known as tracks. It is commonly referred as a train transport. Trade, action of buying and selling goods and services. As usual, we know that we use different material and service in our daily life. Some of these available in our immediate surroundings, while other requirements are met by bringing things from other places. Goods and services do not move from supply locales to demand locals on their own. The movement of these goods and services from their supply location to demand location necessitates the need for transport. Some people are engaged in facilitating these movements. They are known as to be traders who make products come to a consumer by transportation. Thus, the phase of development of a country depend upon the production of goods and services as well as their movement of space. Therefore, efficient means of transportations are prerequisites for fast development. In this chapter, we are going to know about how modern means of transport and communication serve as lifelines of our nation and its modern economy. So, coming to the part of transport, Already we know the meaning of transport. The transport is nothing but an action of transporting something or someone or something from one place to another place. So transportation broadly we can classify it into three types. One is land transportation, water transportation, and air transportation. So land transportation again we are classified into three types: road, railways, and pipelines; water, inland and overseas; and air we can bifurcating as a domestic airways, international airways. Under domestic, public undertakings are there, private airlines are there. What is a roadway? First we can learn about roadways. India has one of the largest road networks in the world. Aggregatingly we can say as a 54.7 lakhs kilometer in India. What are the importance of road transport? See, construction cost of road is much lower than the railway lines. Roads can traverse comparatively more dissected and undulating topography. Roads can negotiate higher gradients of slopes and as much can traverse mountains such as the Himalayas. Road transport is economical in transportation of few person and relatively smaller amount of goods over short distance. It also provides door-to-door service. Thus, the cost of loading and unloading is much lower. Road transport is also used as feeder to the other modes of transport, such as we can call as they are provide a link between railway station, air and seaports. In India, roads are classified on the following six classes according to their capacity. They are mainly, they will be calling as we can call it as a golden quadrilaters: national highway, state highway, district highway, other roads and border roads. What is this golden quadrilaters? We can see the government has launched a major road development projects, that is Delhi, Kolkata, and we can call as Chennai, and it will be just a minute, Chennai and Mumbai. Golden quadrilateral collect, see, Delhi to Kolkata, here Chennai and Mumbai, it connects. Okay. And Delhi has a 6 super lines, that is a north south corridor which is linking Srinagar, that is from the Srinagar here Jammu Kashmir, towards to the south, that is Kanyakumari. And moreover, that is we are calling as a north south corridors. The north south corridors which links Srinagar to Kanyakumari, from we can say as Jammu Kashmir to Tamil Nadu, which connects, that is we are calling as a north south corridor. And we are having east and west corridor. East and west corridor connects Silachar, here Silachar, which connects to the Guwahati, here Silachar, which connects to the Silachar from here, which connects to the Kanyakumari, that is in we can call as a Purabandha, that is so east west corridor. These highway, what are the golden quadrilaters are they, which is maintained by the NHAI, that is National Highway Authority of India. This is about golden quadrilaters. In the next upcoming class I am going to talk you more on the road transport, the other types of roads which are classified. I already said state highway, districts, other roads and border roads. Thank you for watching video. Have a great day ahead. And don't forget to stay tuned to GJS.